All right, so we've got ourselves the right amount of heat on our olive oil. Let's go ahead and dump those onions.
You want all these?
That's probably, what would you think?
I had a large onion, at least half of it.
At least a half of it.
You want all of it?
Yellow sweet onion? Yeah, let's go ahead and do all.
Lots of
Can't have
onions.
enough onion.
All right.
And I'm going to take my beautiful oyster mushrooms.
Well, those are nice. I love onions.
And we're going to go ahead, and I'll go ahead and give you the rough overlay here. We're going to take our mushrooms and onions, saute those together. And then we're going to come back with some wild rice. Oh my, I wish you could smell it in here. Oyster mushrooms are so wonderful. If you're lucky, going through the woods, and you see some, grab them. Know what you're doing though, because nobody wants to wake up dead.
That's right.
But you really do have to know. I mean, I joke about it, but you know, we will not. If you send me a picture of a mushroom and say, hey Tim, what is this? I will not identify it, because some pictures show the gills or no gills, or the bottom side or the front side. I'm sorry, I will not do that, because that's how particular you have to be. There's certain things that look like other things. If you choose correctly and smartly, you can go to the woods, but don't do it unless you know what you're doing.
I don't trust myself still, and I've looked with you.
Usually this time of year we find some chicken of the woods or some hen of the woods.
We have not, have we?
We didn't find any puffballs.
No, we haven't found anything.
Last year they were everywhere. Now look what we got going on here.
That smells amazing.
Oh my. I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt. A little Tell cherry pepper, of course. And whatever kind of seasonings you want. Now this is going to be a rice dish. So I don't think at all some of that poultry seasoning is going to hurt anything at all.
Good idea.
This. Put some thyme in here.
I think you should. Thyme is good.
A little bit of thyme. Ooh. A little bit of garlic.
That's smelling really good. I smell all your spices cooking.
Isn't that nice?
It is.
How's our chicken? Ooh, chicken's browning up nicely.
Looks very nice.
You know what I'm going to do? I was going to turn up to 400, but you know, I don't think we're going to need to. It looks like it's browning up nicely. A lot of times I'll put that up, temperature up just a little bit. If it's not browning and curdling,
It looks
all
nice.
Of a sudden
It looks
it's looking
perfect.
Perfect.
You see the bread?
Look at
That
that.
look good?
Look at that
I'm
pumpkin
excited.
bread. And she had the nerve to put that on my plate with regular food. And I was supposed to eat my regular food and not eat that.
Yeah.
I ate every bit of that.
You're supposed to.
Ask for more.
That's right. You're supposed to eat it.
Tell you what, I'm glad to have you around.
To make bread
Yes.
and cookies.
And other things.
Okay.
You sing a beautiful opera. If you want to go ahead and show.
Oh, that's sweet. Thank
You
you.
want to show some folks that?
I don't want to show off tonight.
Disappointed.
I know.
I'm hoping so bad to have that happen. Now, we went ahead, just because we're practicing, we went ahead and made some homemade cranberry sauce. You could buy these, start finding these in the stores now. Real cranberries.
That's Debbie's recipe, your sister.
It's my sister's recipe.
Find
Look
it
online.
It's
TimFarmersCountryKitchen.com. You can find all our recipes. And that is my sister's, no doubt about it, homemade cranberry sauce.
very good. I also snuck a pumpkin pie in. We might have to have some pie for dessert.
So here we got this going. So this is going to come along pretty quickly after this. All right, so now I'm going to take these and I'm going to pull these off. And that is, again, our fresh oyster mushrooms,
Wonderful onions.
yellow sweet onions. I'm going to estimate the size of our crowd here. That's good. You can set those aside. I'm going to put a little more olive oil in here. Now I'm going to come back with this rice. I want to see how much you think we need.
Yummy.
I would say, if I had to guess, there was, what, a cup and a half here?
Probably.
Cup and a half, close to 2 cups.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take this, I'm going to take some dried cranberries.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
I'm going to go ahead and turn that temperature up just a little bit. I'm going to put some white wine in here.
Ooh, yummy.
Probably put about a third a cup in there.
That smells really good. Like it's a
Yes.
nice
It's
smell,
gonna give
flavor.
that little bit of tartness. It's not a sweet wine. I think that's a Chardonnay, if I know Nikki.
The Chardonnay.
Let that cook down there. Now, I'm going to come back with my seasonings and do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I'm going to come back with a little bit more thyme, a little bit of garlic. Now, if you really wanted to bring in some salt, bust chip, little old bouillon cube. Depending on how much you like, and we don't want our stuff too salty anymore. Now that
looks good. It smells
has
amazing.
almost all that wine has reduced down.
Yes, it has.
Put just a little bit chicken broth, just a tad.
You look like you know what you're doing.
I'm faking it.
Okay.
Now it's time to add back our wonderful
All the good stuff.
onions,
Get all those out of there.
mushrooms, and oh, we're gonna have to pull those birds.
Want me to pull them?
Yep. I'll check the temperature to make sure they're good. Oh, look at that. Oh,
You want your carrots?
yes, please. They got to be done.
Yeah, they look really good too.
So everything's coming around at about the same time. Look at that. Are
Wow.
you kidding me?
Wow.
One little thing that I forgot to do, and this is where all the flavor is.
Ooh, yes.
We're going to take our drippings here.
Need a lot of that.
Now, don't forget that we had rosemary and garlic and onions in here.
Ooh, there's the garlic pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
So that's going to go in here. I'm just going to fire that up just for just another minute. Let that cook in.
Perfect.
And when we come back, you're going to see something special.
All right, your rice is amazing. Really, really good.
Fresh mushrooms,
Smells good.
onions. Oh,